First, get 1.5 cups of cottage cheese. For the cottage cheese, you can use any fat type, but you do need to make sure it's made with small curds. Next, add 4 beaten eggs and give it a mix. Give it a mix each time you add an ingredient. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then mix everything together one final time. Heat a skillet with canola oil over medium heat. I used about 1/4 a cup of oil in mine. Once the oil is hot, add your pancake batter. Make them any size that you want. I'm using 1/3 of a cup measurement for each one. Fry them on each side until they are golden brown. When finished, put them on a plate lined with paper towels, and make sure between each batch of pancakes that you cook, you replace your oil with fresh oil. Please consider giving the video a like, and thanks for watching.